Welcome to Gwaan Dancehall with Lex, giving you the best of the best and the real of the real. Happy belated birthday to Bugle. He celebrated his birthday very differently than some will. According to his Instagram page, his friends were going to surprise him with the birthday party, but instead he decided to give back.
Yeah, so this is Bugle. I'm going to take the opportunity of just, so thanks to some people who contribute to, the giveaway thing that we have up on a Feed the Street People, the Anointed Humanitarian Foundation thing. First, I want to say thanks to the Almighty for just giving the opportunity to even do something like this.
So a couple weeks back, Tony Matterhorn had commented on what Alkaline had said about him in regards to playing Vybz Kartel. If you don't know exactly what I'm talking about, you could just check out Gwaan Dancehall on YouTube or Instagram to see what had happened. He had a couple of words said during one of his performances at a club.
Me said me a give Alkaline 1 year bumper clock ban. Una like it struck your.
Alkaline has not responded to that, but we hope that it's just a friendly joke. So, In Touch Weekly and Complex Magazine are feeling themselves lately. So, they had a couple of comments to say in regards of why Shaggy, yes Shaggy, it wasn't me, was performing at the Grammys. I mean, I don't see the problem, but this is what they had to say. Now, the caption alone was just enough. Why the hell is Shaggy here? My girl. And then Complex, so they look a nasty look comment boat. If Shaggy can't go, anybody can go. Listen here. He was invited, okay? The man never just walked on stage. Obviously, they see somewhere he have and nobody else had in particular. Maybe you should do some research before you start chat about people you don't know nothing about, yeah? Okay. All right, and we're bringing it back. So, dancehall queens are starting to become artists. Renee 630 is going to be having a new song dropping called Work It with Destiny Sparta. We haven't yet said when it's going to be released, but we can't wait to hear that something. Yeah.
But that is it for hello, coming on the video like, and it's still swinging.
That is it for Gwaan Dancehall. Tune in next week for more dancehall entertainment.